Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make golf cupcakes. First, gather all your ingredients, including a box of cake mix, frosting, and any decorations you plan to use. Next, prepare the cupcakes following the instructions on your cake mix box. Be sure to fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack before moving on to the fun part, decorating. Now, let's get that golf course look. Take your white frosting and tint it green using food coloring. For a realistic grass effect, use a piping bag fitted with a multi-opening grass tip. Pipe small, upward strokes all over the cupcake. If you don't have a special tip, simply spread the green frosting smoothly with an offset spatula or knife to create a flat green surface. Time to add those iconic golf course details. For a sand trap, crush some vanilla wafers or graham crackers and sprinkle them onto a small section of the green frosting. Next, place a small white chocolate candy or a white gumball to represent a golf ball. Finally, make a tiny flag by attaching a small piece of colored paper to a toothpick and gently insert it into the cupcake. Your golf cupcakes are almost ready to impress. Arrange them artfully on a serving platter to create a mini golf course display. You can also enhance the theme by adding edible golf club toppers or other small golf-themed candies. These cupcakes are perfect for golf enthusiasts or any fun gathering. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is fantastic for reading anywhere, and other great deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your delicious and creative golf-themed treats.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.